Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the Photos widget on iPhone when it says no photos available. Let's get started. First, make sure that you actually have photos saved in your Photos app. If your library is empty, the widget won't have anything to show. Next, check the iCloud Photos is turned on. Just go to the settings and click your name and go to iCloud and Photos. Then make sure it's enabled. If the widget is still shows no photos, try removing it and adding it back. Just press and hold the widget and tap Remove Widget and then go to Home Screen and long press and tap the plus icon and add Photos widget again. Another fix is to restart your iPhone. A quick restart often refreshes a widgets. If the issue continues, check if your iPhone has pending updates. Go to your settings, click General, and here go to Software Update and install the latest iOS version. And finally, if you want that the widget is to display specific pictures, you can create an album to your Photos app and then add photos in album widget and select that album. And that's it. Now your photos widget should start showing your pictures again. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.